Welcome, welcome. Yeah, me go a one look of corner shop here, me tell you yesterday. And we buy some things down there. And them expire, And all the fish gone off in here. If fish stink when we get home, we find out say fish bad. And we should have listened to the man, the man there, Harry, him said that them not have no ice. Yes, so I think that's why the fish gone off, because I don't have no fridge, so I don't know how them a manage. Because I mean that's if you call ice, so it look like say a fish spoil, but then still want to sell the fish. Them yeah, and then still want to sell them. Yeah, bad food them a sell to the public. So when we go back now and tell them say something them spoil and it's something them past the expiry date, then want to argue with me. In the end, me just walk out of the shop. Yeah, me come out of the shop. Me now go back in there. Me now go back in there, go buy up. Me I go report them. Me I go report them. Yes, that's what me I go do. But somebody say the shop belong to Tina who own the shop there. But when me look into it good, everything was going over the fence. I she put it in her shop. So that's why me I think say the shop might belong to her, and if it belong to her, it belong to somebody from over there. So so and that me I gonna tell you say, if you go in that shop go buy nothing because it's something them spoil and the fish then think. Yeah. So go around them. And I tell you the name of the shop anyway. You better go walk on the foot like me and run and find out whether the shop they there. Anyway, so no. Yesterday when we did do me topic on GoFundMe, a lot of my students and come over here, and some people, say them comment. But one comment that me like that comment, I look like the person must have know about this because the way they put it together very, very nice, yeah. So if we not listen to that video, and I've got to listen to it to make it make sense anyway. But the person said, obviously, the person who donated the money is ignorant of the fact that the creators of the GoFundMe is able to see all the donors' names. The GoFundMe gives the donors the option to be shown as anonymous on the list of donors. Them so bright till them don'ts. Yes, I did like this statement. Them bright until them don'ts, because them go on like say them bright and intelligent, but them very don'ts. So, no, we're gonna start Sunday school. So me want to ask Bob, Michelle, Tina and Lorraine to come to Sunday school. No call them for me. Tell them say me want them to come to Sunday school. Yes, because we're doing Sunday school and we want some answers. First we want some answers. So the person, the donor, Lorraine, you need to tell the donor, say, the public want to see the receipt. Yeah, they want to see the receipt that the woman they donate the $100 because she said the lady done a 33 times 33 attack. Yeah. So the public wants to see the receipt because that's what you always say down there. Say always say want to see the receipt from down so, and the lady always show a receipt. So we want to see the receipt, Lord, yeah. Put it up on your platform so we can see it, yes. Other than that, we are going to say, fireman, I use one proverbs that they used to use in a Sunday school. Proverbs, whatever, say, lying lips are abomination to the Lord, but they that deal truthfully is delight. So when you show the receipt, we can say you're dealing truthfully, but at the moment, with fireman, I say lying lips, yes, is abomination unto the Lord. So come with your receipt and then we can clear up things, fireman, we say. she's sorry. So lying lips are abomination unto the Lord. But anyway, fine man can't help herself, Me pass the shop again, but me ain't go in. Me not buy nothing for her in there. And when me listen, one of that story, me never know say. The woman from down at 33 times 33, she showed some shades. Me don't know if yesterday she showed the shades. Because me see one video now put up in the corner shop. Yeah. In a little shop again. And the video say that the lady down the 33 times 33 say she can't come to Jamaica. But you have to go listen to this. Let me see if I can find it. Bear with me 1 minute and see if I can find it. The video. If you make you hear it. Don't play people video about here, but you have to go listen to this for a minute and see if you can hear it. One minute. 1 minute. Yeah. It's a bit low, but listen, see if you can hear it.
All the time the people them will go around and I make the comment them say we can't come to Jamaica. Are you on that fake page?
So I don't know what that is all about, but she's saying Dana say she can't come back to Jamaica. I don't know if we could hear it because it's a bit lower. But when we listen, we go over the book fair, go listen to it. Dana show some shades if I saw it go, cause sometimes people splice up video, I don't know. But query, she, if it's her, allegedly, I don't know people with videos what them do anyway sometimes. But this saying is saying the person in a people business and then can go back to Jamaica. And the word on the street, yes, as it's saying, a word on the street is allegedly, if I wanna go say. So she can't go back to Jamaica because of mix up what she calls down there. That is the word on the street. So I don't know whether the lady did throw any shades or not. But she never say she can't go to Jamaica. So but the lady turn it around and interpret it differently, saying I mean that people business and then can't go back to Jamaica. But she's saying that the woman sent a threat. So this is what I'm saying about that poor person that say them go on like them right but them don't, because she interpret it and I turn it around and I use her platform to say that the lady, so this is why I say appear rotten something them a sell bad things them a say, and lying lips is abomination unto the Lord. You're twisting it for the public to believe that the lady is sending out threats. Yeah, she had through her shades, but she's not sending no threats at all to you. But you're turning it around. I'm trying to make the woman look bad, who know are turning it around. Yeah, so that's what we need to say to Unuh. We want to see the receipt from the anonymous person, and Bob, Michelle, Tina and Lolo, Unuh is big people now. Unuh need to stop. Yes, Unuh need to stop because Unuh using, Unuh platform to send out a lot of wrong signal out there. Yes, wrong things out there, which is untruth. Yes, so I that prime man just come to say that lying lips again is abomination unto the Lord. Look it up. Proverbs is in a Proverbs, yes, and we did learn it at Sunday school, so we know if we tell lies, yes. It's not right in the sight of the God. Okay? So, that me have to say. And fine woman, as she said, she don't talk and she's out.